In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Opensea not connecting to MetaMask. If you're seeing the connect button loop, a stuck sign-in prompt, or a wallet that never appears, the issue is often caused by cached files, old cookies, or a stale session in your browser. We'll refresh the page first, and if that doesn't do it, we'll clear the browsing data so Opensea and MetaMask can start a clean handshake. Begin by opening opensea.io in your browser and simply reloading the page. A quick refresh forces the site to pull new scripts and can instantly resolve minor hiccups. After the page reloads, try connecting your wallet again to see if the prompt appears correctly and allows you to proceed. If it still won't connect, move on to cleaning up the browser data that Opensea and MetaMask rely on. Open your browser's menu by tapping or clicking the three dots at the top right. This is where the privacy and history controls live. From that menu, choose the option labeled Delete Browsing Data. This is the tool that removes temporary files and cookies that can interfere with a fresh wallet connection. Next, expand the advanced view by selecting More. This gives you the complete set of options, including the time range. Set the time range to all time. Choosing all time ensures that older, conflicting site cookies and cache scripts are fully removed, not just what was saved in the last hour or day. It's the most reliable way to wipe out the fragments that commonly block wallet prompts. When you're ready, confirm by selecting Delete Data. Your browser will clear cookies, cached images and files, and related site storage. This does not affect your crypto assets or your wallet itself. It only removes local website data. Keep in mind, clearing cookies will likely sign you out of websites, so plan to log back in where needed. Make sure you have your wallet recovery information securely backed up before you sign back into anything, and never share your secret phrase with anyone. With the browsing data cleared, OpenSea and MetaMask will establish a fresh session the next time the page loads. This reset eliminates corrupted tokens and outdated scripts, which are the most common reasons the Connect flow fails. Most users find that the wallet prompt now appears promptly and the signature request goes through without looping. That's it. Start with a simple reload, and if the connection still stalls, clear your browsing data using the menu, open the advanced view, set the time range to all time, and confirm the deletion. This clean slate approach is quick, safe, and fixes the vast majority of connection issues between OpenSea and MetaMask.